everyone, I'm Felice Angelini. Ciao a tutti, sono Felice Angelini. Welcome to another Italian whiteboard lesson. In this lesson, you learn how to talk about well-being in Italian. Let's get started. Questions like how are you or how are you doing are very common in English, either as a greeting or during Hi everyone, I'm Felice Angelini. Ciao a tutti, sono Felice Angelini. Welcome to another Italian whiteboard lesson. In this lesson, you learn how to talk about well-being in Italian. Let's get started. Questions like how are you or how are you doing are very common in English, either as a greeting or during small talk. In Italian, people ask these questions as well. But typically, you'll hear these questions when two people haven't seen each other for a while or when they are genuinely concerned about the well-being of the other person. For example, imagine two neighbors run into each other in an apartment lobby and they haven't seen each other for months. Let's hear what the two might say. Come stai? Oh, sto bene, grazie. Well, in this informal situation, we find in the question, stai means are you? And in the answer, sto means I am. Bene means well. And I say grazie, thank you, to be kind. All right, so on the other side of the board, here, I listed a few other ways you can answer the question, come stai? Let's take a look together. Sto abbastanza bene, grazie. I'm pretty good, thank you. Sto benissimo, grazie. I'm great, thank you. Sto molto bene, grazie. I'm very well, thank you. Abbastanza bene. Pretty good. Benissimo, great. Molto bene, very well. But finally, if you're not feel good, you can say, non sto molto bene, I'm not very well. This answer has a different structure. Note how you need to put non in front of the verb. Also, if you don't want to sound harsh, it's better to add molto. Okay, now let's read this response one more time. Feel free to read after me. Sto abbastanza bene, grazie. Sto benissimo, grazie. Sto molto bene, grazie. Non sto molto bene. Good job. Okay, I listed all the well-being phrases here, in order from positive to negative. Benissimo, molto, bene, abbastanza bene, non molto bene, non molto bene. And note, benissimo is the same as molto bene. All of these, except for one, have the same structure. Sto, condition, grazie. I'm, condition, thank you. Remember that if you want to say that you are not so good, the phrase has a slightly different structure. Non sto molto bene. Well, you can shorten the pattern by just stating your current state without any additional words. Abbastanza bene. Benissimo. Molto bene. Non molto bene. Ciao ciao sto, ciao ciao grazie, ciao ciao sto, ciao ciao grazie, ciao 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 sto. Okay, but in a formal situation, I suggest you say grazie, grazie, at the end of the answer. Do you remember how to say well? Bene, bene. And how to say I'm well? Sto bene, sto bene. Do you remember how to say thank you? Grazie, grazie. And how to say I'm well, thank you? Sto bene, grazie. Sto bene, grazie. Do you remember how to say pretty good? Abbastanza bene. Abbastanza bene. And how to say great? Benissimo. Benissimo. Do you remember how to say very well? Molto bene. Molto bene. And how to say not very well? Non molto bene. Non molto bene. In this lesson, you learned how to talk about well-being in Italian. I'm Felice, and I'll see you again on ItalianPod101.com. Thanks for watching. A presto!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.